Okay, Malcolm, 10 pence. A wee hole in the soil. What depth do you see that is? 15 centimetres. I'd say 15 centimetres, maybe 14. Don't know what that is in inches. 10 pence. Big lump of coke. One T2. Turn it on. Sensitivity for this site is 80 to 90. Disc level. We'll disc out the coke. Right, coke comes in at 43 in this machine. There it's set. 43. Work it up to 43. See if we get the coke. No playing any tricks, Malcolm. Gone. Not a click. Right. Tones. Any tones you want. 3 tones. Anything. Right. Still nothing. Machine's there. Camera's still rolling. No playing any tricks. 10 pence in the hole. Put the dirt on top of it. Eight. So we're just about halfway. Big lump of coke, not a wee bit. Right on top, right? Right on top, Mal. Shoot the camera. Put it here, Mal, so you know I'm no cheating. Right. Alright. Right, I think you should be able to see it there, Malcolm. There's the coke. The coke. Can you hear that, Mal? I would dig that, mate. Number 45 solid. A solid 45 in the T2. Nothing wrong with that, Malcolm. Blocking the 10 pence. You were actually using a higher conductor coin than me. You were using a high silver content. Back to the drawing board, Malcolm.